LAQ Long Answer Type Question, Chapter 15, Class 6. Question 1. How do plants and animals help each other in the exchange of gases in the atmosphere? Children, you have to tell how plants and animals help in maintaining the balance of gases in the atmosphere, especially oxygen and carbon dioxide. Now come to its answer. Animals take in oxygen from the atmosphere and release carbon dioxide during breathing. On the other hand, plants take in carbon dioxide present in the air to manufacture food and release oxygen in the atmosphere. Means plants are the producer of oxygen and they are the consumer of carbon dioxide, whereas animals, they are the consumer of oxygen and they are the producer of carbon dioxide. In this way, plants and animals help in the exchange of gases in the atmosphere. Now, question 2. Why is air important for us? Children, air contains different gases. All are important for us. Oxygen present in the air. This helps us in breathing. All living beings need air to survive, and it is present everywhere on earth. Air is present in water and soil. Air supplements plants and animals, which in turn help us to grow. So in this way, air is important for us. Now, question 3. Give an activity showing that air is dissolved in water. Heat the water in a pan. Observe the bottom of the pan carefully. When water is heated, it expands, and the dissolved air, this escapes out in the form of bubbles. On strong heating, water turns into water vapors, which also escapes as bubbles. So this activity shows that air is dissolved in water. In the form of bubbles, the dissolved air, this comes out. Now question number 4. How will you show that air has mass? To show that air has mass, so you will need a ruler, two balloons, a piece of string and a pin. Inflate the balloon first and then tie them up. Hang them at the two ends of the ruler with the strings. Now tie a third piece of string in the middle of the ruler in such a way that when hanged, the balloons balance each other. Now ask your friend to prick one of the balloons with a pin. You will observe that the ruler tilts towards the side of the inflated balloon. This shows that balloon with air is heavier than the balloon without air, showing air has mass. This activity shows air has mass as inflated balloon tilted downwards. Children, in the figure you are seeing two balloons inflated. They are balancing each other, and when the one of the balloon is pricked, then the inflated balloon this side goes down, which shows air has mass. Now the question number 5. How can you show that oxygen is only 1/5 of the component of air? For this, fix a candle in the middle of a trough or any container. Now fill the trough halfway with water. Now take a jar with marking on it and invert it on the table. Then we observe that the candle burns for some time and then gets extinguished. Oxygen is the component of air which supports burning. When oxygen inside the jar got used up, candle blowed out. When the oxygen was used up, the space occupied by air decreased and therefore water level rises in the jar. The water rose only up to a small level, indicating that oxygen formed only about 1/5 of air. This also shows that other gases present in air don't support burning. Only oxygen gas its help in burning. Children, you are seeing a pic. In the first pic, the candle is burning, and in the second it is extinguished and the water this rise up in the jar.